Craving a dish that's simple yet delicious? Today on Ranna Roshmita, we are transforming the humble cabbage into delicious koftas and pairing them with a rich aromatic curry that will have everyone coming back for seconds. Let's dive in with the preparation of the koftas. Take a medium-sized cabbage and freshly grate it or pulse it in a blender until shredded. Place the grated cabbage in a muslin cloth and sprinkle some salt over it. This will help draw out the excess moisture, which is crucial for crispy koftas. Let it sit like this for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, blend soaked chana dal into a thick paste. This will be the base for our koftas, giving them body and structure. Add the blended chana dal to your salted cabbage and then squeeze out as much water as you can from it. Keep this water aside for now to use it in the curry later. For flavoring our koftas, add a pinch of shahi jeera, chopped green chilies as per your heat tolerance, fresh coriander leaves, and a little bit of besan for binding. Mix everything together until you have a dough-like consistency. Then coat your hands lightly with oil and shape the mixture into small even balls like this. Finally, roll each ball in cornflour for a crispy texture on the outside and soaking any moisture that may remain. Then gently slide these koftas and fry them in batches in refined oil over medium heat until they are golden brown and crispy. Once done, remove them from the oil and drain them on a paper towel. These koftas are already delicious on their own, but wait until they are soaked in curry. For the curry, heat some refined oil or ghee in a pan and temper it with a pinch of shahi jeera. As soon as the jeera sizzles, add in roughly blended onions. The taste of good Mughlai food is hidden in the fried brown onion. So sprinkle a pinch of salt and fry them until they are golden brown. Once the onions are done, stir in ginger paste, garlic paste and cook until the raw flavor disappears. Add fresh tomato puree and then add a mixture of spices starting with chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and coriander seeds powder. Cook the spices with the tomato puree until they are fragrant. Then add the cabbage water extract you had set aside earlier. Remember, there is some salt already in this, so we won't be adding any more salt. Add bit more of water to cook the gravy. Bring the curry to a boil, cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until the oil starts to separate from the gravy. Adjust the consistency of the gravy to your liking by adding a bit of water. Then add crushed dried mint leaves, a pinch of garam masala and fresh coriander leaves. Stir everything together and let the flavors meld. Finally, carefully add the fried koftas to the curry and coat them in the thick flavorful gravy. Let them sit for a few minutes to soak up all the goodness. And there you have it, Cabbage Kofta Curry, a dish that transforms simple ingredients into something extraordinary.